Morning, I'm Paul Clarke, the groundsman at Wombourne Cricket Tennis and Bowling Club. I'm going to talk to you today about repairing a foothole. Obviously during a game when a bowler's landing on their front foot, they're creating a hole within the surface. Also you can get where the batsman has dug out their marks and stuff, which can create quite a big hole as well. Obviously to play on this pitch again, to make it safe, you want a nice level surface for the bowler to be landing on. So we repair the foothole and fill it in. To do that, we use loam that I've mixed up with a little bit of water to get it a little bit moist. Don't want it completely dry, otherwise it won't bond to the existing surface. Also, I've got some water to wet the area that I'm putting it into. I've got some plastic bags which stop the loam that I'm putting down bonding to the rammer that I'm going to use to compact that area to get it nice and flat. So first, get a little bit of moisture onto the area that I want to repair so that it will bond with the surface. Not too wet, we don't want it soaking, just dampen it off a little bit. Then get a bit of the loam that I've mixed up into the surface. Not always the cleanest job in the world. And I like to get a bag, stops it bonding to your shoes or your tamper, and just slightly press it off. See where we are level wise, see if I need to put any more in. And then get the tamper. Obviously compacting the area. You'll be able to see whether you're level once it's done. Taking the moisture out. And see by the bag, it's taking the moisture out of the loam that's there. Got a reasonably flat surface there. What I'd probably do is get a different bag and I'd bring the mower up and just use the rear roller of the mower just to go over it to get the final flat surface within it ready for play, and allow it to dry a little bit before use. So as you can see, it's a nice sunny day here. Obviously once this has had a roll, it'll dry out nicely during the day and it'll be safe to use by tonight easily, if not before.